Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today, since the Pretty Fairy have no modules already, they're finished of their modules, so we are here at the plateau and she's now collecting a water because we're going to recycle it by watering our plants and whatsoever veggies, Say hi, Pretty Fairy. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, look at the camera. Oh, see? She already collected a 1 drum of our water, and this is best for our flowers, veggies, because as of now we don't have enough source of water. So all we do is we're going to collect the rainwater. So say hi, Pretty Fairy. Okay, and after she finishes here, we have also there the cat. Oh, see, we still have water here and here, so enough to collect uh, 1 more drum. Okay, and guys, as of now we have a cactus here. This is a variegated Junocalicium, but the variegation is not showing off. But the mother of this one is a variegated one. Again, we have here also, and apple cactus. Okay, some of our cactuses are left at our mini garden because the location here is not safe yet. So soon we're going to bring that all cactuses left in our mini garden. Okay, and guys, this is our plot for other veggies, and we have already here the kamote tops. It's already alive, so hopefully we can eat soon a veggies. Okay, and guys, our neighbor gave us a eggplant, an eggplant. Okay, so I'm going to plant this one now. Okay, the pretty pearl is still collecting. See, okay, so helpful, thankful to have a daughter na makulit. Sometimes makulit, sometimes very good. And guys, this is how I simply or manually plant our veggies. We're just using this one, and we dig the soil. See, it is so easy. See, okay. Oh, see that one? Just simply do this. Okay. Hi, Pretty Fairy. Are you finished collecting water? Rain water. If you're done, come here and let's plant the eggplant. Okay. We have 10 seedlings, guys, so we're going to make a whole of 10 also. Okay. Wait, guys, White is here and she's going to say good morning. Hey, Whitey, say good morning to everybody. Everyone. Good morning. Oh, look at our Whitey. This is not our dog, but the other Tatay's dog. Tatay Danny's dog. See? This is so sweet. And kind dog. Chow si Chow. Morning na morning na siyang sweet Chow la. Hawla ni si Chow. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, guys, this is an eggplant that we're going to plant, Okay, the perfect time in planting is a rainy season, so that the plant will grow fast. As of now, we don't have any fertilizer, but soon we're going to collect a carabao's dung, cow's dung, and horse dung, as our fertilizer. Of course, we're going to produce our own organic fertilizer. Okay. We plant only one. We don't have to worry because we have a lot space. We have enough space to spread this eggplant seedlings. Okay. it.